Howdy guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at the positioning for the CAD feature, and this will be for FabriCAM software. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za, and we make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, we're heading to the program here. Now, like I mentioned, in this mini-series, we're going to be looking at different positioning types. So we have the single, basically one in a line, a matrix, and then a circular one. So we're going to be starting off with a single one. Now, when it comes to the actual positioning with these basic shapes, only the rectangle you're going to have a major variation. The rest is all going to basically be locating it to the center of the shape. So if I click on this rectangle here, we can see we have origin option, and then we have lower left or center. So if we look on this little preview, we can see at the moment it is on the lower left here. So if I had to go to this and set it to center, you will see on our preview now it's in the center of the shape. So that is something to keep in mind while you're working with it, just so you can make more sense of the calculation. So I'm going to go just show you the difference quick. So I'm going to go select the shape. Let's make it 100 by 100. And then I'm going to go to the single positioning, click that, and leave everything at 0, 0. So now, if I had to take my mouse, let's just center this more to the center of the shape, we're going to be getting a 0, 0, which you can see on the bottom left. Bottom right location identifier. So now it's going to be to the center of it. So if I had to now go do the same thing, let's go 100 by 100, do it to lower left, say okay, click positioning, and then leave this 0, 0 again, and now you'll see now our 0, 0 is on the bottom left corner. So like I said, just keep that in mind. It is quite important when you're working with shapes and positioning them. Like most of these ones you can just do or do to the center, but when it comes to this first one, you have to keep in mind you can do both bottom and center. Now to actually use these features, I'm sure by now you guys know, but we'll just run through it again. You first have to select something you want to place. In my case, I will do a rectangle. Once again, let's go 100 by 100, make sure it's bottom left, say okay, and then only you click positioning. Otherwise you'll see it's grayed out. So now I'm going to click the single positioning, click on the canvas, and then from the actual options here, we can see here where it's going to do it from. So the origin, this is on the canvas and not the actual shape. It's going to be 0, 0. So if you hover your mouse here on the back thing, when this window is not open, we can get the location on the location bar here on the bottom right. So if you need it to be at a specific place, you can hover your mouse where you want it, see what's the information, and then come type it in over here, which is quite handy with a single tool that you can do that. And also you can go negative as well, so you can go minus. So if I had to go and add a cube, make it center, make it 100, 100. Now if I had to add it by leaving everything default, the center will be 0. But what I could do now, I could go 50 and 50 because our cube is 100. Say okay, now the bottom left corner here will be 0 and 0. So this is how you're going to be using, or you're going to be using the X and Y to choose where's the starting location for your single positioning, which can be very handy. But yeah, otherwise that is it on the single position. If we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also isolate your search on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request a training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.